Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, water damage is a huge issue in Canada, and when you buy a house you have to be very careful about it. So I'm going to tell you what happens if seller hides water damage. Okay, now imagine you buy a house, you move in, and then after first heavy rain your basement literally floods. Then you find out that this is not something new. Seller had hidden this issue for years and never disclosed to you. So the first question, what can you do in these circumstances? I'm going to explain. Okay. First of all, is the seller required to disclose water damage? Now in Canada, disclosure rules vary province by province, but generally sellers must disclose known material defects. This means something that makes a home unsafe, unfit to live, and property, and something that impacts property value significantly. Basement flooding or major water damage usually counts as a material defect. Now, but the problem comes, how are you going to prove that they knew this before? Sailors, because if you go after them, sailors say, I didn't know about this, it never happened before. But, and many times that's the end of it. So, if you can prove it, then that's something else. Now, if you have evidence like old repairs, new paint hiding stains, previous insurance claims, neighbor statements, email or messages, then you can prove it. So guys, when you discover the damage, what you are supposed to do? First of all, document everything. Take photo, videos and record dates. Get a professional inspection report or contractor report stating it's not a new damage. This evidence is very important, along with filing your claim with insurance, of course. If required, and a contractor report is very important, a professional inspection report, because just your report, your observation is not going to be and then you can contact a legal representative if you can go after them for misrepresentation, fraud, breach of contract. I'm not sure about those legal options, so and actions that's going to happen, so that you can check with a legal professional. Now question comes about home inspector. Let's say you had a home inspection done by a licensed inspector. Can you go after the home inspector? Sometimes yes, but only if they missed obvious signs and were negligent. But if you read the report, they always write about the limitations and what changes, what observations they couldn't do. And if it falls in one of those, then sorry, it's not going to work for you. Now, can you go after the realtor? If you have taken the property through a realtor and the realtor knowingly ignored, then you have a matter. But again, proving is important part. So guys, I have in other videos I have described about what to make sure about water damage, or at least to mitigate any risk of water damage when you go to view a property, check a property before you buy it. If you follow those, you could be in a good position. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.